So, once you've completed inputting your office details, the next step is to navigate to the Project Input tab. This section is designed for you to enter the projects you want the tool to report on. So it's important to note that it's not mandatory to include all projects that your organisation is undertaking. You only need to input the projects that you wish to do the carbon footprinting reporting on. So as always, you start by entering your name, and then you need to enter a unique project code. So this needs to be unique for every project. You cannot use the same code for 2 different projects, and the tool will not allow you to input a new code if it already exists in the database. And then you want to name your project and then input a project client. So you can either use free text or you can use the drop down provided. At the moment the drop down is empty because we haven't entered any projects or project clients into the database yet. But once we input this, it will come up as an option in the drop down. Similar with location, you can either input your own location or select from the counties that are listed in the drop down. Let's just input our own for now, and then you need to just input the project manager and the scope of the project using tick boxes, and then make any commentary if needed. This is not a mandatory box. And then you need to input the expected project start and end date, so you need to do this in the format given here. And we realise that this may change as projects get delayed. So if this does happen, then you just need to come back to the project input tab and recall the project and make any unnecessary amendments. So for now, we'll just say it is for the whole of 2024, and then you can add any notes if needed. So if we add that to the database, we can see that here. And then I'll also show you, so now you can see that the Environment Agency is now an option for the client, and also fish ponds is an option in the location drop down. So let's just show a recall. Say the project is delayed by 6 months and we want to recall it. Delayed project. Similar to the office input, highlighted dark grey means you should not amend these boxes. If you do make any amendments, the tool will not allow you to re-input the data. So we want to add who is amending the data, and then just change the date down here to the 1st of June. And then we can see in the database that it has changed. So I'm just going to demonstrate trying to input the same project code. So if we try and input CH1, even it's motorway 2, Environment Agency, Buckinghamshire, Springett. Then I just am demonstrating that it says that the project code has already been input, and so you cannot enter the same project code twice. So that's just a demonstration of that. So that's everything with the project input.